Hello guys, I am Galipelli Sai Mallikarjun and my roll number is 21CS30019 and I am from section 6. For the DIY assignment 3 disassembly and assembly, I chose to disassemble this rechargeable fan. It has a fan and a light and it can be controlled from here. Now it is completely discharged, so it is not working. And this will be rotating when the fan speed is high so that the air will go in all directions. Now I will turn on the power. You can see that the fan is in working condition and the light is also in working condition. Now I will open this and show its parts. So I have removed all the parts. You can see this is the main part which has the circuit and this is the back body. This is fan. As I said initially, it is a rechargeable fan. This is the battery. This is the socket brick. This is the front part which is used to adjust the wind direction. This is used to close the battery. And this is the back part which closes the fan. Now we will check out the circuit of this fan. Now here you can see this input. This input is connected to a step down transformer. Here you can see the values of this transformer, and output from this transformer is connected to the main circuit. I tried to open this circuit but it is attached permanently. Now you can see here there is a wire connected to this circuit which is a regulator for the light intensity. This has an output to the light. Now from the main circuit we have these two wires which has these two pins, and this can be connected to the battery. And from this main circuit we have this main wire which is connected to the DC motor. This is a brushless DC motor and the magnet is attached directly to the fan. You can see it has two regulators. This is for adjusting the light and this is for adjusting the speed of the fan. Here is a small circuit for the LED light which shows it is charged or not. Now we will assemble these parts and check whether it works properly or not. assembled the fan. We will check whether it is working properly or not. I have connected the input. Here you can see the red light is glowing. That means the battery is not charged till now. We will check whether the fan is working. The fan is working properly. And we'll check the light. The light is also working properly. Thank you guys for watching.